Turkey has intensified its efforts to modernize and expand its air force, implementing multiple strategies to maintain its military edge. From upgrading its existing F-16 fleet to developing its domestic fighter jet KAAN and negotiating the purchase of the Eurofighter Typhoon, Ankara has demonstrated a clear determination to strengthen its aerial capabilities. The catalyst for these moves was Turkey's exclusion from the American F-35 program in 2019, a decision that had significant repercussions. The exclusion came after Ankara's purchase of the Russian-made S-400 air defense system, which the United States and NATO allies deemed a security threat to their military platforms. At the time, Turkey had been one of the largest buyers of the F-35 program, placing an order for 100 jets while also contributing to the production of its components. However, the decision to revoke its participation left Turkey without the fifth-generation jets and unable to recover the substantial funds it had already invested in the program. Faced with this setback, Turkey turned its attention to alternative solutions, one of which is the Eurofighter Typhoon. Developed by a European consortium consisting of the United Kingdom, Germany, Italy, and Spain, the Typhoon is regarded as one of the most capable 4.5-generation fighter jets in operation today. It has already proven itself in the hands of 9 different nations, performing a wide range of missions, from air superiority to precision strikes at supersonic speeds. Turkey's defense minister, Yasar Güler, recently revealed that negotiations with the European consortium had reached an important milestone. Germany, which had initially resisted approving the sale, appears to have shifted its stance and now supports the potential deal. Reports suggest that Turkey aims to acquire 40 Eurofighter Typhoons, which would complement its current fleet of F-16 Fighting Falcons and bridge the gap created by the absence of the F-35. Despite its proven reliability, the Eurofighter Typhoon comes with several challenges. For one, the assembly line in Wharton, England, no longer produces new jets, raising concerns about how quickly Turkey could receive the aircraft. Additionally, the Typhoon's price is estimated to be higher than that of the F-35, which could place a financial strain on Turkey's defense budget. Another drawback lies in the Typhoon's technological limitations. As a 4.5-generation fighter jet, it lacks stealth capabilities, a key feature of modern 5th-generation aircraft like the F-35. In an era where stealth technology plays a pivotal role in air superiority, this could put Turkey at a disadvantage compared to nations operating more advanced fighter jets. While Turkey explores foreign options, it has simultaneously placed significant focus on developing its domestic fighter jet program, KAAN. This ambitious project marks a turning point for Turkey's aerospace industry and its broader goal of achieving defense independence. KAAN successfully completed its maiden flight in February 2024, a milestone that was met with optimism. The jet is expected to enter mass production by 2028, providing Turkey with its own 5th-generation aircraft. However, critics argue that KAAN remains far from matching the capabilities of the F-35. Advanced sensor integration, computing systems, and overall performance are areas where KAAN still faces significant hurdles. Developing a state-of-the-art fighter jet requires overcoming complex technical challenges, and it may take years for KAAN to achieve full operational readiness. Turkey's pursuit of the Eurofighter Typhoon reflects a strategic decision to diversify its defense partnerships and reduce its reliance on a single country for military resources. By working with a European consortium, Ankara not only secures access to proven fighter jet technology but also paves the way for potential technology transfer agreements. Strengthening ties with European defense industries could provide a boost to Turkey's domestic aerospace sector, fostering innovation and creating new opportunities for collaboration. This move also highlights Turkey's ability to adapt to changing geopolitical realities. The refusal by the United States to sell the F-35s was undoubtedly a setback, but it has prompted Ankara to seek alternative solutions that strengthen its strategic flexibility. The Eurofighter Typhoon, while not as advanced as its 5th-generation counterparts, offers Turkey a capable and versatile aircraft that can perform critical defense roles in the short to medium term. Moreover, Turkey's decision to pursue multiple strategies, modernizing F-16s, acquiring Typhoons, and developing KAAN, demonstrates a multi-layered approach to addressing its defense needs. This blend of foreign procurement and domestic development ensures that Turkey's air force remains robust while also preparing for long-term self-sufficiency. Critics, however, caution that these efforts must withstand the test of time. While the Typhoon is a powerful fighter jet, the global competition among fifth-generation aircraft is fierce, and stealth technology is increasingly becoming a standard feature of modern warfare. Turkey's ability to successfully integrate the Typhoon into its fleet and develop KAAN into a truly competitive fifth-generation jet will determine the success of its long-term strategy. Nevertheless, Ankara's resolve to push forward underscores its commitment to maintaining a strong and independent defense capability. By diversifying its alliances, investing in domestic innovation, and navigating the complexities of global geopolitics, Turkey is laying the groundwork for a future where its military capabilities are both modern and resilient. In a rapidly changing world, Turkey's strategic decisions reflect not only its flexibility but also its determination to secure a leading role in global defense. Whether through collaboration with Europe or through its own technological advancements, Turkey is charting a path that balances immediate needs with long-term ambitions.